Hello guys, today we're going to be installing a PRL rear motor mount. This is how the motor mount looks. A lot beefier, overall better bushings. To start, you park it on a flat surface. You jack up the front of the car and support it securely with some jack stands so it doesn't fall. I think it's 17 and 19 mil sockets. Remove the two bolts that secure the mount to the subframe and the long bolt that connects it to the transmission bracket.
19 mil. No, sorry, it's 17. Loosen that up. Socket. Put that on this. Now, a bit tricky with this. It's not with the bolt. Let's do this. Okay, doesn't work. Get that out. This is the tricky part. There you go. Stock motor mount. Rubber bushings, not good. See, it already rips. Whoa, that's not good. I'll upgrade to the PL. Difference between stock one, PRL, billet made, poly bushing, super stiff, a lot beefier, made in the USA. So let's throw this back in. Which way should it go? Go like this. Either there's no right or wrong way to put this in. So. Back on.
Once the factory mount is out, position the PRL mount in place, making sure the holes align properly, and hand thread all the bolts. To avoid cross threading, then torque the subframe bolts to 54 foot-pounds and the main bolt to 64 pounds, applying small glue Loctite to the thread for added security application.
Quarter turn. Okay. 19. Everything up. Get it tight. Give it a quarter turn.
Okay, and once all the bolts are in, tighten down and issue feeling on the test drive. After doing a pull, like usually with the stock one, it would wheel hop, but with the PRL, it's just straight traction, and you hear lots more vibration, which gives it that race car feeling.